Hello, my name is Odonga, Otto. I'm a political philosopher. The Balaalos are leaving. Every day we have 15 to 20 trucks leaving. And interestingly, those who are leaving are going straight to Congo. Kumbe, these are non-Ugandans. These are people from Rwanda. I'm not talking of the Banyarwanda of Uganda. I am talking of people from Rwanda who were in Acholi. So honestly speaking, Ugandans, how do we allow people to get into our country? How? The land in Acholi belongs, it's part of Uganda. Whether you are in Zimbabwe, Mbarara, you are Ugandan. We have to protect our country jealously. We are happy the UPDF also chased the headers from South Sudan and they had to leave. So this Balaalo here, we are talking about, are all the way from Rwanda. They are rude, they are arrogant, they are treating the villagers badly. If it were only Ugandans, we could probably sit down and talk. So let them leave, and please don't tell us those things of yours. We know what we are doing. When these Balaalo came in Chilhura and in Singiro, they were chased. The Banyankole chased them. And that's how they found themselves here. So if we are not nationalistic, why did you chase them from Chilhura and from Singiro? So let them leave. We want to thank the President Yoweri Museveni for the executive order. We thank the Uganda People's Defense Forces for cordoning the cows. When the deadline expires, the remaining cows, we are going to mobilize the community in thousands with songs, and we shall take them up to Karumba Bridge. Watch the space. Greetings, Honorable Dr. Odonga Otto, political philosopher. Ugandans, let's be united. People are entering our country from Rwanda, from Congo, from Burundi, from Eritrea, from Ethiopia, from what? We should love our country. I love my country. Thank you so much.